Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome. Happy Valentine's Day, friends and familiars. For now, we're just gonna be modding. But later we might do something else. Okay. I think that we're not done with the entity thing yet per se, but I remember, do you have a Twitter account? Yeah, I was posting that while we were on the getting started screen. But yeah, okay, so we're not actually done with the entity, but I'm not gonna futz with it more on stream. I think we got the large portions of it figured out, so I figured I'll finish that off stream sometime. So today, what I want to do is move on to the rendering one, because we already did status effects. I don't really care about damage types. We already did a command. We've played sounds. We haven't done the creating custom sounds, but also kind of don't care. Might get to that eventually, but I think this looks the most interesting to me is the rendering, so I want to do that. I don't have any ideas for rendering screens yet, so I'll probably just stick with this tutorial for now. This page will cover the basics of rendering using the new system, going over key terminology and concepts. Although much of rendering in Minecraft is abstracted, I need a freaking suit. My nose is going. I hate these packages. Place the sun with your face so you can truly embrace the light mode life. But I hate the sun. You wouldn't think it, I suppose. Yeah. Alright. Tessellator. Where was I? Although much of rendering in Minecraft is distracted through the various draw context methods, and you'll likely not need to touch anything mentioned here. It's important to understand the basics of how rendering works. Okay. The tessellator. The tessellator is the main class used to render things in Minecraft. It is a singleton, meaning that there is only one instance of it in the game. You can get the instance using tessellator.getInstance. I hate how there's so many different ways of doing things in this. Some of them have all caps instance. I know this one has .getInstance. Maybe it's created on demand. That sounds like something that that's normally used or like always used, you know? Buffer Builder is the class used to format and upload rendering data to OpenGL. It is used to create a buffer, which is then uploaded to OpenGL to draw. The Tesslator is used to create a buffer builder, which is used to format and upload rendering data to OpenGL. Before you can write anything to the buffer builder, you must initialize it. That is done using Tesslator begin method, which takes in a vertex format in draw mode and returns a buffer builder. Okay. The vertex format defines the elements that we include in our data buffer and outlines how these elements should be transmitted to OpenGL. Maybe a little late to say so, but I don't know anything about rendering in general, 3D rendering. I tried learning OpenGL once and I did not get very far. Partially because I had nothing to make. I forget what language I was using. Like, this means nothing to me. I have no idea what this could possibly mean. Draw modes define how the data is drawn. The following draw modes are available. The line is always 1 pixel wide with a debug line. I imagine that these lines are based on the distance from the camera. First and last. Huh. Okay. I see. This buffer builder is initialized. You can write data to it. Ugh, my eyes were glazing over for a second, sorry. Transformation matrix. A matrix that transforms things. A mathematical matrix, not the matrix. You guys know matrix math? I technically learned it. About triangle strip. Draw vertices, the building points of on the HUD in order. Oh, I draw on the HUD. Oh. Diamond. What mode? Triangle strip. Okay. So this is the last two vertices. Alright. Top one, bottom left, bottom right, bottomist. So we're drawing on the HUD in this example. Use HUD render callback event. Alright, alright. Well, let's play with it. We'll make them Valentine's colors. Let's see. Oh, not that one, this one. Back over here. So this is going probably in the client somewhere. Put it here, I suppose. Oscillator, buffer builder. It's a skeleton model with ECG basic enemies bulletin. I would need that model. I can't make models. I'm not an artist. Alright, let's go. Only a cylinder with half a circle on top. I don't know how to use the tools though. Hey Bruno, welcome. I don't even know what tool you'd use. Blender probably has a Minecraft export, right? Be my Valentine's? Sure. I can do that. Alright, let's see. Get matrices, peak. Get position matrix. I didn't think that would work. Why not? Well, the meal is not really close. I'll calling Bruno a wolf. Transformation matrix from the matrix attack alongside the tessellator instance and the new buffer builder. Position matrix. Instance. Why are we just... I don't understand this, like... Are we pulling a random matrix? Why aren't we making a new one? Is there a limited number of matrices on the stack? Why are we peeking? Why are we not nexting? I have so many questions that I don't understand. Bark, meow. Again, a triangle strip buffer using position color. Vertex format and triangle strip position color. It said we'll not have to use this. We'll just use other hooks, so that's good because this doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Power vertices Z doesn't really matter since it's on the HUD. I imagine there's still Z order. Make sure the correct shader for your chosen vertex format is set. Find all the shaders in shader program keys class. And to pull up ChatGPT or DeepSeek. For what, a date? You should use AI Dungeon instead. Make sure the correct shader for your chosen vertex format is set. And find all the shaders in the shader program keys class. Shader program keys dot position color, set shader color, red, green, blue, alpha. Draw the buffer onto the screen. Draw with global program. Buffer.end. I've never really understood shaders either. I suppose it colors things, but I really need to learn more about 3D, I think. I just don't understand it. Well, we can go watch this render, I suppose. I like, at a high level, I understand what this does, but at a low level, I just have no clue. No clue. I get this part. This part makes sense. And this part too. all this makes sense. But this first line, I don't get that. The shaders, I don't really get that. And I don't know what the global program is, but you know, it's a draw function, I guess. Oh, that loaded a lot faster than yesterday. We got our triangle. It would be cool if I made like a little... We had like a bunch of skulls up here for how many we had active or something. Maybe. I don't think that would be that cool, actually. Stupid. Whatever. It works. Next part. Matrix stack. After learning how to write to the buffer, you might be wondering how to transform your model or even animate it. No. This is where the matrix stack comes in. The matrix stack has the following methods. Push, pop, peek returns the top matrix on the stack, but doesn't pop it. Cool data pack I saw. If you have a trident with channeling, you can throw it up to summon a lightning storm. Oh, that's pretty neat. Control the weather. Translates the top matrix on the stack. Scales the top matrix on the stack. Multiply the top matrix on the stack using quaternions, which we'll cover in the next section. Taking from our example, we can make our diamond scale up and down by using matrix stack and the tick delta. The progress between the last game tick and the next game tick. Clarify this later in the rendering in the HUD page. I understand tick delta. It's a common video game development thing. Say it will use 60% of the trident's durability for balance, I guess. Oof. That's a lot. I feel like it should just have something else. Like you have to place something in the sky and then hit that with your trident. That makes more sense to me. Maybe a conduit. You stick a conduit in the sky and then hit it with a trident. I think one of my main concerns in understanding this matrix stack is how it interacts with other mods. Like, do we share the stack? Because normally that's what stacks are for. It's a global memory space. You can't just peek it and have it for yourself, because other things would mess with it. Hold on. Where do I put this? Let's first push the matrix stack and then pop it after you're done with it. If you don't, you'll end up with a broken matrix stack, which will cause rendering issues. Make sure to push the matrix stack before you get a transformation matrix. I see. So do we leave this as is? Does get matrices make new ones? No, I didn't think so. Why did it do that? Where am I supposed to put this? Roll tick delta. We don't have that defined yet, so we need that somewhere else. It says it'll explain tick delta here, so let's look here. I guess here. I don't know why I didn't just give this then. What? God, I don't like this software sometimes. Oh, but we don't have a draw context in here. Oh, well, they're renamed. Okay, so we'll just rename these real quick. I think this is probably accurate. Wait. I'm confused. Wait, this is the same one. I'm very confused then. Do we use the total tick delta in here? Use it here. Okay, fine. We'll define it outside the closure and let this get mad at us. I have to assume that that's what it's for, but I don't really know. Or maybe it's at the class level. Try both. What is this supposed to be? Float. Huh? I hate when it does that. Software makes such stupid decisions sometimes. Float. This really doesn't seem right to me. Final or effectively final. This doesn't make sense. We're just gonna do this. Probably also doesn't make sense. In a field, it says. Oh, it tells you right there. Why though? Fluid total delta. Okay, I guess we'll find out if that works. I assume this is just so it animates over time, but I don't really understand why we're doing it like that. It seems weird to me. Oh, it's the delta. Never mind. That makes a little more sense. Delta is the difference between two numbers. I was thinking it was just the tick count, but it's not. Alright, it's not moving. Did I put it in the wrong place? One thing so. Oh, this is how you make a new matrix with the push. I see. Total tick delta. Is it because I put it before the draw? Probably. We'll just try that real quick and maybe that'll work. Maybe. Wow, it takes so long. I think I might just need to restart my computer, honestly. The little search button thing, my hotbar's not working. Didn't work. Right to the buffer. Oh. I'm so dumb. I'm sorry. The right to the buffer part is here. I get it. That makes more sense. Morning. Hey, Junk. Welcome. Good morning. Maybe I should read properly. Just maybe. Reading is for nerds. I'm kind of a nerd. Oh gosh. I think I need to stretch today. My leg is not feeling so good. I should stretch every day, but I don't. Oh, there we go. It works. Yay. This code's a lot more satisfying to me. Because we created a matrix. Here, rather. So that's better. I can't help but feel like this peak one worked by happenstance. Does this not return a matrix? So I think I'd be able to change this to matrices. And then let's see. I did Google to get rid of their color picker. Okay, what's the next step? Oh, am I on the wrong one? Yeah. Quaternions, rotating things. Quaternions are a way of representing rotations in 3D space. They are used to rotate the top matrix on the matrix stack via the multiply quaternion XYZ method. It's highly unlikely you'll need to ever use a quaternion class directly, since Minecraft provides various pre-built quaternion instances in its rotation axis utility class. Let's say we want to rotate our diamond around the z-axis. We can do this around the z-axis. Do this by using the matrix tag. Multiply quaternion. Oh, I see. Around the z-axis, like we have a pipe going through the z-axis. That makes sense. They removed the other code. But we're gonna put both in. Just because. Lots of metal today, huh? I'm okay with this. Maybe I should make a new single player world too. Whoa. It's working. It's just over in the corner. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't know why it's there though. You'd think it'd be where it was before. Maybe it's because of the shifting. Is the initial position off? Oh. It was originally at 0, 0. Why do we translate it after rotation? We want to translate it before rotation. I want to see what happens if we don't do it. I can sort of like conceptualize based on the comment, but I don't trust it. Make a new world. I want to see if it's as slow. Oh. Still just as slow. Perhaps worse. Okay. That is indeed what I was imagining, but it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Why does the translation after the multiply fix that? And how would we get it to how do we get it to like spin in the middle of the screen? That said, it does kind of seem like we're doing things in a backwards order, huh? We haven't even drawn it before we do these multiplications and stuff. So maybe if we just put the matrix translation up here first. I don't exactly know where to put it, but we'll say 4080 maybe. you leave the translation, change the numbers, like is -20 tied to the rotation to return it to the center spin, or just +20 to move it, or just make a complex path. +20 would make it so that it while it's rotating around the point, it basically, you know, when we removed it, it was spinning like this. I think you can see my mouse, right? Yeah. So it's going like this. If we did +20, it'd just be over here, doing like this kind of arc instead. Okay, so that seems to have worked. So we just do it in a reverse imperative order, I guess. I don't know. It's backwards. I don't know why, but I guess that's just how it is. So you place it where you want it, then you can do any scaling, translation, or rotation, and then you this -20 and -40 are based on these positions. So I guess I didn't really have to translate it here. I could have just changed these positions because they're full numbers. But basically 20 is the middle of our diamond on the X. And then 40 is the middle on the Y. As this is drawn in the middle. Yeah, the bottom is 60. Oh no, that makes sense. Just 20. 20 to 60 is 40. Makes sense, makes sense. Well, it works, so that's good. I think I feel a little better about all this. I still don't really get the shaders. Maybe we should just try another shader and see what happens. Position color. Maybe because we gave it position and color. Is that what's going on? Vertex and color, hold on. Is that what that was saying? Position color. Position color. We give the position here in the vertex, and then a color is in an extra. So could we give it to do texture? I would need to know texture names though. Do position color light. I don't know what light is. See what light does. UV. What is UV? Oh, is there docs? No. I see. Let me... OpenGL maybe? Or an OpenGL lighting. Wow, that's a lot of math. Hold on. I can bring it over. It's just what you wanted for Valentine's Day, right? Math? Reflectance equation. Dang. What does PBR even mean? Physically based rendering. Ops blue ribbon. It sure does mean that, yeah. Yeah. I learned that from Futurama. So my original interpretation of Pabst Blue Ribbon is having metal shavings in it. Can't imagine that would even be good for a robot, but who knows. This means so little to me. I've not seen a U or a V anywhere. There's a V. Man, it's amazing to me how dumbed down we've gotten with 3D game design. Like, you don't have to know all this to make a 3D game. At all. You just put models places, put lights in places, and it all works. You don't have to think about it. But when you do want to think about it, holy crap, it's so complicated. I still never saw a U. Does it have to do with the solutions to the integral? I know that's a thing. Did it, when you want to solve an integral, you did the UV thing? I don't remember how to do it, but I remember it being a thing when I learned calculus. That was very complicated. I did not understand it. This is how I know UV though, is texture mapping coordinates. Maybe that's all it is. Maybe it's just the coordinates for the light source on your thing. But if that was the case, wouldn't it just give you X and Y? Or request X and Y? You would think. Not texture doesn't even have you specify texture. U and V aren't variables? Oh. That's so. Do you know what they are? Should I just put a number? I'm gonna put 2040, that should be center if they're coordinates. I think I will put the same color over the whole thing just to normalize, and we'll see how it goes. UV just means hitting the texture at points such that, like, Kata's nose would be at the center on the eyes in the right places. Oh, you're talking about the textures, yeah. Yeah. They're basically coordinates. It's just like float coordinates. This is a light source, yeah. But the texture one also has UV. It just has the U and V. It doesn't have like the actual texture, like graphics image thing, you know? The texture. Context of light sources U and V typically refer to the U and V coordinates within the UI color space. Use describe coordinate. Oh. Well, we're gonna have a weird thing then. Maybe I'll be very dark. I don't know what the UV locations are. Yeah. Oh, I didn't change the thing. I'm stupid. I didn't change the shader. Red, blue is blue. I just want to say I pat you. Okay. It is very dark with that. Huh. I don't see any integer UV options for a color picker. you want it to look like. Nothing in particular. Not black would be nice. Yeah, all I see is floats. Maybe I will just do what? X. Do that at the top. Do 0 at the bottom. Not that it matters, zeros. I just not specify light for these two. Maybe we'll go midway. I don't know if this will work. Since they're just values, so midway would be... I think it would be midway for each one, but... Oh, it would be... what, like 5,000? Not 5,000. 16 to 8,000. Let's try that. Oops. Supposed to do that. Still all black, huh? Why would it be all black? It doesn't make any sense. It should change at least a little. Unless I need something else besides just the light map. Or the light on the thingies. Or maybe I shouldn't be choosing light map, maybe it was something else. Because this just says position color light. Not late map. But I don't think that was an option. Uh-oh. Very strange. Whatever, we'll just do without light. I don't get it. Or no, it's control click. Or, no? Control alt? What is it? Shift alt? There we go, shift alt. Okay. Whatever. Next lesson. Draw context class is the main class used for rendering in the game. It is used for rendering shapes, texts, and textures. As previously seen, used to manipulate matrix stacks and buffer builders. Shapes. The draw context class can be used to easily draw square-based shapes. If you want to draw triangles or any other non-square-based shape, you will need to use a buffer builder. Use the draw context.fill method to draw a filled rectangle. I guess lines are square-based shapes. Making Pong here. Should we make Pong in Minecraft? I don't like Pong. Hey. We're doing a completely new section now. Like, should I just delete all this? I suppose. Try that. Why does it keep doing this? Never understand that. Yep, just draws it. Nice, okay. That's cool. Night vision goggles, you could do it, probably. There's probably an alpha, right? Yeah, there is. I don't know what the whole width of the screen is. Or if we have access to that info somewhere. Get the textures too, that's cool. I don't... Maybe if I click here, it'll show us. No. GUI and screens. Minecraft client.get instance.current screen. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. I would hope not. Let's check the context actually. Maybe that'll have it. Context dot. Has a lot. Draw GUI texture. Draw item. Ooh. Get scaled window height. Okay, then never mind. That's what I want. Scaled window height. Make that. And then mother picker. I don't honestly know what color night vision goggles would look like. I've never had them. Maybe something like this. Put the transparency to like AA, maybe BB. Yeah, let's try it. See if that works. I wonder if this will draw over top of the inventory or anything. It doesn't seem to have an option to not. It does not. That's a little bright. Not to set it to night time. Set. You know, is that accurate? Get a tree. Can't plant trees here. Regular dirt. Oh, they don't combine? That's lame. There we go. That looks ridiculous. But we can draw lines. What does a scissor do? This is what allows you to easily clip your rendering to a specific area. Oh. I see. I wonder if you could enable multiple scissor regions? Probably not. Well, wow, it keeps going new places. But you can only have one scissor at a time. But there is something called stencils. But I don't know how they work. Does this use them? There are stencil funks. Okay. Sorry, I'm looking at another screen again. I should stop doing that. Looking at stencils. Essentially, you can specify how you want to cut out in more detail. But you have to make a stencil buffer. But yeah, my thought is I want to do this outline, right? Draw a border, but I want to stencil it so we don't have a whole border. So let's see. But have to be ints. Let's see, I see you have integer division or something. Oh, yeah, just by specifying int. Fair enough. Let's see. Minus 60. Minus 40. Maybe minus 80. Rectangle width would be 160. Rectangle height would be 80. That there. Let's see if we can stencil this. So first of all, enable stenciling somehow. It only has enable scissor. The stencils at this level? Oh. So the draw context doesn't have stenciling. But the render system does. Hey Screw, good morning, welcome, welcome. Valentine's, happy Valentine's. Might do Valentine stuff later. I don't know yet. Really brought roses to the fight. The fight. You don't have to fight. You can all be my Valentines. Layer. Oh, draw centered text. Be romantic, gift your Valentine partner hydrogen bomb. Very romantic. Draw right region, draw sprite 9 slice. What does that mean? Sprite tile, draw texture. There's a scissor stack. Maybe we can just do a scissor stack. Position matrix. I don't think you can do multiple at once with that. No, who's fifth? True. True. You guys can be whatever number you want. I'm not gonna argue. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. No, what skill issues has with GT? All my issues with GT are skill issues. Well, I have the stats, I have the luck. I don't have the skill. I also wanted to see if you can just get access to the render system. Just heads up for enable scissor. But it's static, I see. Stencils are static too and public, so we could just do that. But you don't have to enable them or what? Clear them afterwards, I see. Especially the guild rate damage. Yeah. I never look at what I do. I don't care. Kinda burnt out on it. Maybe I'll try more with the new guild raid. I'm looking forward to the new system. We'll see how it goes. I never hit early enough first day. It's stupid that it matters so much. I do wonder about what this funk is. And we don't have access to enable it per se. But it's there, so maybe it's enabled. And so the mask is the bit. This might be too low level. Where is this located? Package wise, where is this located? Blaze a 3D. I see. So it might not be in use. I don't know. Then again, that is a calm damaging, so maybe. Yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna do this. This is way too much work. I just do it with scissors. Oh, you can't do that. Stop. Oh, not rectangle Y. What the heck? Do that as... It's probably it's inefficient to do it. It's just scissors, but I want to try it out. You know what? Let's before I do this, let's just try doing it 4 scissors at once. We'll see what happens. You know, worst case, it doesn't work, and we do something else. So we want this to be like 10, I guess. So we say, oh, 10. It's width the 9, not. No, it is x2 and y2. Okay. Are there 2 enable scissors? No. Okay, so we'll see. Make it 10. Alrighty. Oh, I guess it would be. Probably doesn't matter. But yeah. So then we can do the upper right. That's plus 70 plus 80. And then we do this 40. Stable scissor. This probably won't work, but I want to test it. Just to be sure. I'm like 90% sure it won't work though. Oh, I forgot the hat. I always forget my hat. Doesn't show anything at all. Huh. That's odd. I expected to at least draw something. Get rid of the enable scissors, make sure that it's drawing somewhere. Oh, it could be because of straw border. And that's like outside. Maybe. It looks like it's inside. Ugh. Yeah, I was drawing it. Weird that having a bunch of scissors didn't work. Maybe it's scissors exclusive. That wouldn't make sense though. You can try it. Let's enable one. So if we draw this, but we say 81, 41. Well, I did it right. Nope, just having two scissors breaks it. Wonder why. I didn't expect it to break it entirely. I expected it to like I expected it to be like it uses the last one or something. It's a fight to see who gets her hand today. Why are you fighting? Can't it just be everyone? No need for exclusivity. No. Well, we learned scissor. I think we'll just ignore that. Actually, no. I don't know. Integer. Did the death my queen? No. Don't kill each other. Back to the corner shame. No, no, no. Never found this photography. Oh my god. No. Okay. Grab all of that. Let's start of. Was it? Not all. Shift, Control, Alt, down. I know there was a down version. I don't know. Do it this way. I'll just redraw it 4 times. It's fine. Or wait, couldn't it be like a rec? No, it wouldn't work. That's fine. Why we can't do a list of int? I would love to do that. Can you? Oh, you can do an array, right? Does that work? The argument cannot be a primitive type. Oh, it just can never be one. Array type expected. Maybe I do want array then. Arrays aren't real? Okay, we want list. Oh wait, there's also like int, right? Like that or something. I don't know how that works in Java. But maybe it's fine. There we go. Does that work? No? Oh, you can't do like a list of that. Probably. Does that not work? Looks unusual, has 4 feet. What? What? He's mostly has 2 feet. I have 2 feet. I really do. I have an upright, mostly human creature. Let's see. Java. You have to use curly braces. Why would it do this to me? Auto formatting is so annoying sometimes. Does that work? Can't do an array of arrays. Probably can't do a list of it either. fine. I just hate this. You have to do so many different conversions just to get the int value. It's stupid. Oh my god, no. Why did this ever catch on? Python was first. Do you not need this? I see. I'm glad you don't need that. That was awful. I can't imagine what writing Minecraft in Python would be like, though. Sounds awful. There we go. We got thingies now. That's like real night vision. That's totally offset by 1 pixel, isn't it? I can tell. Yum. I don't think this makes you better able to see at night though. But it's kind of cool. Night vision doesn't really work, no. It's just supposed to look like night vision goggles. Because I thought it would be funny. Junk suggested it. Fun fact, night vision used to be red, but a lot of people say that dumb humans, that they changed to digital green because the human eye can see more shades of green. Huh. Thermal's still red. I like the green though. We just have like modern night vision now. Oh, they say they saw. I see, I see. That's also awful for standard maps because a lot of information disappears. Makes sense. I wonder if we could actually put information on the screen. You think so? I'll overdo this. I didn't know any of this. See if we can get the client. No, don't get client. It's not public. I want to get client.player. That's what I want. No. I guess I can just do Minecraft. Client player entity at Minecraft. Yeah. Buzzy, welcome. Good morning. I'll look at the camera. Do I want pause effect? I want like the camera rotation. Oh yeah, body yaw. Or head yaw? That's probably what I want. And we're going to draw this on the left side, if I can. Also, I think this is slightly too big, so I'm going to make this 60 instead. Probably I should do it percentage based, but actually let's change this to Huh? Can't I like rename? And name those to screen. Get rid of this. So it's just gonna be 0, 0. And then I'm going to have a center rectangle information down here. So it's a we're gonna make it shorter names because everyone knows what rect means. X2, Y2. I guess we'll do X1, Y1. Can't those be commas? Yes. So we want minus 60 plus 60. And then this should be minus 30 and plus 30. Oops. I erased the variable too. Y2. So make that 10 though. Oh, X1 plus 10, yeah. Then these are basically all just going to be like we'll do upper left, then we'll do upper right, and then we'll do lower left. And then lower right. Like that. Perfect. Okay. And then this becomes rect x1, rect x, y1 rather. And this is rect 0 minus rect x1. Alright, and then the head yaw. How does the yaw work? It can be negative, right? Probably. Let's assume 0 is midpoint. But I'm not totally sure. We'll just say Sheep stew. No. Could I perchance interest you in sheep bathwater instead? A little less deadly. I haven't taken a bath in so long. I usually just shower, say no less. And yeah, let's see. So we want at the middle of the, so maybe 20% in, maybe. And some more kind of bubble bath stream. No, I have no way of getting my stuff to the bath. For Valentine's, no. Whoops. I have an idea for Valentine's, but not a stream. I'm trying to make a video. So we want screen width times maybe like 0.15. Can you just cast? Yeah. And then y equals, I guess it's the center. Yaw is the up and down, right? You guys probably know. It's a baking cookie, so I was bringing in your ear that Erica voice is somewhere. No. Not that you're not. But that's not the plan. Yeah, is chin up or down essentially? Yeah, okay, good. That's what I thought. But I always forget. We want to context.draw line. I think it is roll eg side to side. I thought side to side was pitch. Make this minus. How long should it be? Why does it take 4? Oh, color. Gotcha. Do y'all center X? Oops. Minus like 12 or something. Yeah, is look left, right, pitch his chin up, down. Roll is tilt. Look in an image. Yeah, is left, right. Oh, it's not good. They don't have the other ones. Maybe we'll just do this. Well, is that the rotation of the character? Hold on, I'm just gonna freaking... Let's look at what this does. Head, y'all. Warp angle degrees. Don't get pitch. I see. Okay, maybe we'll use get pitch. And the Y is top. That, and then we need the color. Int overlay color. Okay, now draw one more horizontal line on the other side. Not too sure. where to put it exactly, but plus yeah, plus 12 for now, I guess. Plus 17. Maybe less, 16. Alright, and then we want to draw a little thingy with numbers and lines on it. So we'll draw from like pitch plus or minus I don't know, Minecraft pitch. I really should just open it up and look, but it's gonna take forever to load. Let's just draw the text for now. Which is one of the parts of this tutorial. We just have to grab the text renderer ourselves. I don't know why that's not like something that it just does. My dot text renderer. You know why it's so slow to boot? I have no idea. It just started happening yesterday. No, up the pitch. Why are you even there? But not value of int boolean. X, Y, color, shadow. So say oh, this should be X. Why did I put Y there? X minus 10. Center Y minus, I don't know, 5. And then do the overlay color false. Alright, draw that for now. We'll see how it looks. Get an idea of where the numbers are and whatnot. I want to see what the minimum and maximum numbers are too, assuming it's the right one. I feel like I haven't really done much here that would cause it to take forever to load, but surely there's something. Well, that's negative 90 at the top, positive 90 at the bottom. Okay, so it's degrees, and it is the right one. That Y is a little bit off. I think I did -5. So maybe -2. So yeah, we can go between like plus or -10, maybe. So my thought is that take the pitch and we say so the midpoint's like where you are, and we want to start at, since it's negative on top, we want to start at -10 above it. Then does Java have ranges? Oh, it probably has just standard. That sort of thing. So my thought is that we start at a float. Well, how do we do this? So probably every integer 1 we would have a line, and then every integer 5 we'd have a bigger line. And then we need to offset it by the amount that's not rounded. So let's get offset equals pitch minus int pitch. And then in terms of pixels, we want that to cover oh, it's weird it was so high also. Oh, because I did 15 instead of 50. So we want maybe like a height of say trying to measure it based on the box. The box is 120 high, right? Because it's, or no, it's 60 high. 120 wide. So we'll say maybe maybe do 180 tall. So then if we do 180 tall, then each pitch height I guess we can just do like that, then we'd say so each pixel would be, or each line, I guess, would be a percentage of the pitch height, right? So the pitch height would be, I say pitch, but it's like the box that contains the pitch information, right? So pitch height, we gotta know how many lines we're displaying, right? We're displaying 20 lines, so we want divided by 20. And I'm saying for the line delta, wait, oh, should I convert that to float first? That's interesting. So I think what we want to do is take the line delta and then multiply it by that. So that's like the initial offset. Would draw our first line there. So int pitch start equals pitch minus 10. Now that should truncate it, so it rounds it down. Is that correct to our offset? Do we want to do it round it up? if you're, say you're at 0, you move up slightly, it's going to be negative 0.1, for instance. We want a 0.1 offset downward. The pitch start, that would be if we assume there's a line, yeah, so it would be floored, yeah, because the 10 would be lower, or the negative 10 would be lower than it would be if you were at 0. Okay, I think that's correct. Really though, I should just I think actually we will stick to just +1. And then we'll do so 5%, 5, 0. That's modulo. And we draw a bigger line. Oh no, hold on, horizontal line. Say pitch top plus an offset, and then oh wait, that's the Y, my bad. So this would be like pitch center -10. Or maybe not even -10. No, we want the text there. So it'd be like the center X minus maybe 3, and we do pitch center X. Would it even be minus? Yes, I think so. Plus eight, I think, right? Starts at 12, so that should be good. Do that for the big one, and then for the smaller one, we take that, and then we say +2, maybe about there. Oh, though for here we also want to draw the text. Or do we only want to draw the text at tens? No. We'll draw them at both. So render a value of I. And that is, yeah, around -10, but we're doing like -2, I think. Overlay color, no shadow. I think that should work. And yeah, we don't need this. Let's see how it looks. I kind of want to invert it, but it's fine. I hope that negative modulo in Java actually works. Sometimes negative modulo doesn't work right. We'll see. It might not work. Wait. Yeah. I was wondering if it mattered for a second. It does. It might not matter because 0 is probably still fine. Whoa. What happened? Oh, I drew the text in the wrong spot. I drew the text all in the same spot because I'm dumb. Right, and we didn't offset. Okay, my bad. Offset plus equals line delta. And then we want to say for the Y should be pitch top plus into offset -2. That's what I wanted. Okay, try it one more time. Hey Gabrielle, welcome. Good afternoon. Amen had a great beat. Yeah. It's a good one. Wow. A little speedy. The numbers overlapping the lines, which I don't want, but it looks okay. Should also cap it at 90. That's what I want though. I think it's a little too tall. So we'll make that like 160, I think. Also we're gonna draw the text like over 15 or something. Secrets 5 items, yeah. In this reference I'm looking at something from like apparently a GoPro. Looks like something from Metal Gear Solid. But like just a night vision HUD. It also has the location information and stuff. It would be cool to have that as like the day and time and location and target location, I assume. So probably your location and the thing that you're looking at. I didn't cap it. Does look better though. Still not quite there. Only I could right align it. I guess I can say if it's a negative, you go further over. So we say should also say math.min. Then again, it wouldn't start at the right position. Metal Gear reference. It looks like it, doesn't it? Itch. Maybe there is like something draw. You do centered. No right align text. Oh, it draws at the center of the screen, I think. Oh, no. I see. You can get the width from the text renderer. Ah. So we can say of I, and then we can say int text width dot get width of s, and then we can say so if 15 is good for, well, okay, we know where the line is, right? It's at -3, so we want to say maybe at -5. So we'd say -5 minus text width, the S here. And that should work for that. And then I think what we can do in here is say if I is greater than equal to -90 and then I is less than equal to 90, then we do the actual drawing information. Otherwise we skip it and just do the offset increment. And that should do it. Oh, they also have a yaw indicator at the bottom. I didn't see it. I don't know if I want to do that. It's all just learning, right? We're not making an actual mod. But someone might think this is cool. Uh-oh, it broke. Why? Condition I greater than covered by subsequent condition? It's not. Oh, it is. Because I typed it wrong. Oops. That would certainly break it. What else is left in the tutorial? What, drawing text? So we gotta do drawing textures. I wonder if we could do an actual, like, filter over the screen to make it brighter or something. The heck? Oh, there it is. Pretty cool though. That works. Close to negative 90. I probably should make that other line further out, but that's fine. Pretty cool. Oh, sure, it's hard to get to 0, huh? Oh boy. Probably compare it with F3. Well, you can't see it. Facing. Okay, about negative 50. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, looks good. Fallout VATS or Cyberpunk Cyber Attack. I don't know what either of those things are. Sorry. Interesting though, it says you're under negative 50 and this, but that's not accurate because on this we are over it. Just slightly. Well, I had it exact. Just poke my mouse so I don't have to lift my hand off it. Oh, there we go. So if we're basically exactly at negative 50, it's at negative 51. So there is an off by 1. It's almost negative 52 actually. So in that we should be quite a bit higher. It's kind of surprising. Is that about the same for all of them? If I get to... Well, no, because like if I get to 90, it's 90. Get to 84. And it says we're at negative 85.9. So it is roughly 1.9 off. With heads-up scanner attacks from different games. Like, someone attacks your scanner? Strange. You know, I don't want to work it out. I'm not going to keep this. It's just for fun. I don't want to draw texture. Just read it. It's fine. You can see how it's done. You get the identifier. And then draw it. There, get GUI textured. Needs the magnifying glass. What is the magnifying glass? You have to select the get GUI. So usually always be get GUI textured. You're supposed to make teeth good. Like you can scan an enemy undo various things and sort of full-time slowdown, like computerized headshot or synapse burnout. Oh, just different stuff that's been done with a heads-up display that's similar. I see, I see. Yeah, Scott Summers too, but I guarantee you also don't get that reference. I don't. Custom screens. Custom widgets. Oh. On your custom screen. So our custom screens just for separate screens. They don't draw over. So this isn't for like doing a custom inventory screen or something. Not inventory itself. Custom like like a work table screen. It doesn't seem like that's what it's for, but maybe. Yeah, it seems like it's its own thing. If you have to set the screen. Cool. I kind of wanted to do particles, but I think I'm burnt out. We've gone through a majority of this tutorial, and it's not entirely ported over from the original, which is here, but it's pretty good. Well, I don't know. I might play around a bit more on my own. Fix the entity, stuff like that. And I don't think we'll do this next week, but I might get back to it. Eventually, once I have like a real project, maybe we'll do the bug net thing that I was talking about, because I think that would still be cute. I never checked if Minecraft had a thing. Bug hatching mod. Plenty that introduce insects. Oh yeah, this has a net too. Yeah. Okay, so my idea has been done. I might think of something else then. But yeah, I think that's it for the stream. As like I said, I'm a little burnout. Do something later for Valentine's. I might record a video and post it, but if I don't feel like doing that, I might just stream later too. So, whichever I choose, I don't know. See you later. But happy Valentine's. Thanks for coming. It's good to have you guys. I'm holding hands. Probably a little hard to do. Sorry. But yeah. Thanks for coming. Have a good one. See you later. Bye bye.